policy in case my dozens of shoots didn't slow me down enough on landing. Then, like typical insurance policies, it farted me in my worm booty. All right, I'm sure I have adequately scarred that man for life, which is all we can hope for. Fuck me.